Hello friends, hope you will be fine. Today I'm going to tell you about treadmill buttons. Now see, I'm trying from here, but these buttons are not working. See, these buttons are not working. Sometime you can face this type problem. So I'm going to solve this problem. See, so what will I do? See, these buttons are not working. These are not working. All buttons are dead. Okay, they are not working. What should I do? I will here on handle. You can see these buttons are working. And another handle. See, these buttons are not working or not pressing. You can say not pressing. I'm trying, but hard to press. So that's why I'm going to open this clip. Okay, and because here all buttons are not working, so if you face this type problem, what should you do? You should check all button like this. If maybe any button maybe any button already pressed, so that's why these buttons are not working. So you should do like this. You should do like this to unpress the button. You should do like this from here, and from here. Okay, but here these are tight. These buttons are not pressing, so that's why I'm going to open this. So here is a screw. I will open from here. See, I open this button because it's already pressed. That's why it's not working. So what should I do? I should lose from here. I should lose this screw. Now see, already I opened this screw. I lose this screw. Now I am trying. So this screw already I opened. Now I am trying here because it was too much tight. The button was not pressing. So that's why. Now I am trying. So I lose this screw. Okay. Now I am trying from here. See, now it's working. All buttons are working. See, this is for incline. Everything is working now. Okay, see. All buttons are working now. Because of, first of all, you should check all button. If any button is pressed already, so because of that button, all button will not working. So here I checked here, it was already pressed. So I open these screws. I lose these screws. So now you can see these all buttons are working. Okay, thank you.